Hello, 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 hello. What is up, my fellow cat junkies? Oh, well, I slept in this morning. Not as bad as the other day, where I had like 15 minutes to get coffee, get the stream up and running. You know how I slept in today? So normally I sleep with my bed, my phone on the corner of the mattress on the bed. Like it stays there, it doesn't move. One of these fancy Doogies phones, right? Got a built-in case. And so it's got these rubberized corners, so it doesn't move. I just put it face down, it doesn't move. Well, the issue was, I moved. So I woke up lying on top of my phone. I couldn't hear the alarm because I was on top of the damn thing. Oh. Alright. Let's make some wingtips. This is going to be fun. This is going to be really enjoyable. I'm looking forward to this. Let's slide this in a bit. We want you out of the way. So the plan is, it needs to have a step inside here, all the way along the rim. It needs to incorporate this 10mm spar and this 22mm spar. And I need a way to fix it to the wing. So what is the measurement here? Can I put like a screw in here? Like have a couple of screws? Ooh, that actually would be a good idea. If I drop the aileron and I can set the... Oh my god. Do you, like... Can we work over there? Oh, over here. Thank you. Thank you. Cool. If I like shifted this aileron out of the way. Like all the way. Yeah, like that. So I need to have a look at like how far do I have to move the aileron in reality to get a screwdriver or an Allen key to like here and have a screw that goes in the back of the side here that holds it in. But then what do we do about the front end? Because if I put a screw here, it's going to put a lot of stress on here if I don't have some other fastener on this side. Ooh, questions. I don't want to have a screw on the outside surface somewhere that's visible. That would look terrible. It would look terrible. Terrible, I tell you. Alright. Well, anyways, let us create... wingtip form. It'll all get printed in one piece, but I like to start with an intermediate part. And I don't want to create it off of the surface because it's going to give me a weird center of axis, so I'm just going to create it. And then I'm going to return, create a plane parallel through point. Like so. And that didn't quite work out how I wanted. Show me the model browser, thank you. I had this all minimized to take photos for yesterday's episode. Go check out my Patreon if you want to catch my episodes 24 hours early. Poor old Metrotron's sitting there getting videos all by himself. Nobody to talk to about them. Doesn't want to spoil it for the rest of yous. Right. Wingtip. Origin. Let us constrain the x-axis of the new object, the wingtip. to this circle. Yep. So that I put my origin to the axis of this bar, which makes everything so much easier. Click apply. And then I can delete it. And we're going to say grounded, don't move. And we can delete this. I want to constrain. Oh, hang on. Where did that put you? In the wrong place. Never mind, unground. Why am I getting biddings? Who's sending me biddings? Oh. Somebody I haven't spoken to in for a while. Yo. Sweet as. Right. Ungrounded. Let's reconstrain your x-axis. So here, apply, constrain your xy plane. No. YZ plane. No. Yes, yes, no. Yes. To this surface. Apply. Right, now we ground it. Ground it. Delete those two. It's nice hearing from him. Right. Let's open up the wingtip. Let's get started. Let's make it. Hey. And now I can start sketch on the axis plane. We'll project that. We shall project that. Yeah. Right, that will be the initial form that we start from. So that would count as reference material. When he made it, he started with this aluminum chunk here. Huh, okay. Well, that's fucking interesting. When he extended the aileron, it came past this point. So I need to completely change that. This isn't going to work like this. This is not right. It's not correct. But if I look at when he built the fuel tank, where's that picture of him sitting on the wing? Come on, Mike, where are you? What did I do with that picture? Okay. Where'd that picture go? Not in there. That's super strange. Oh, you know what? You know what I've done with it? I know what I've done with it. Draco RC, episode 1. I shoved it into episode 1 here, didn't I? I did. Let me check what other photos I moved across instead of copying across. That one's cool. Looks like I did the same into this one as well. That one's cool. Alright, just 2 photos that I've moved instead of copying. Be 68. Make that 69. Yeah, 69. This one. So when you created the fuel wingtip, that extension sits on this side here. You created this chine. We also need to make the stinger on the wingtip. Right. So before I go any further, I need to cut this whole section of the wing off. Or should we leave it as is? For like structural purposes and reasons, I would say leave it as is. Like I have reason to not do this perfectly right. But at the same time, this is also a weakness when the plane is disassembled, unless I glue on the end of the wing. In which case, then it doesn't matter, then it will be contiguous. And I think I'll do that. I will permanently affix the end of the wing. That way I don't have to worry about screws and stuff. And then it will technically be as if it was one piece. So if I reduce that to 5, then that counts this whole section here as the aluminium piece. And I'll get a wingtip that is closer to accurately the same. That blows my mind that I've only just noticed that. That's the way he made the wingtip. That cut off there. Connects to this. Still gotta get in and make these sort of shapes on the back end of the wing there. I say, Might be worthwhile making these hinges a little bigger too, because on the aircraft there's actually a cutout in the flaps and ailerons, so when the flap or aileron moves up it comes in contact with this, so there's a cutaway for it. I was all excited to get this started, and now look at this and I'm like, shit. So we're counting this aluminium part as part of the actual wing and as half part of... No. Yes, no, yes, yes, no, no. Let us return. Wingtip. Ungrounded. Wing core. What is... Oh, yeah, the wingtip. Remove that activity. Okay. If I remember correctly, all the stuff for this. So if I extruded this whole wing from this side, but I did make that end piece as an extension. And it's just so hard to see because the wing is red. Nope. Nope. Wait, there it is. Nope. 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 At what point did I make this side of the wing? Like, holy crap. From way at the beginning. Very first sketch. Crap. If I change that, it's gonna screw everything up. So. I will do the easy way, the coward's way out. Yeah, let's do that. Start sketch on this face. Project. This face, nope. This one. Finish sketch. Extrude this and this. 7 mils. That way. Nah, 5. 5, yeah. Just to where that edge is. And it doesn't really destroy anything else. It just gets rid of the step that we had. Makes the wing more realistic. And I will have to just update this sketch to use the profile of this side of the wing. That makes it more realistic. It's not going to bug me. It's not going to irk me. We still have this 3mm rod. 3mm rod across 110mm wing. Yeah, you're gonna do loads, buddy. You're gonna do plenty. It's just there to stop it from twisting. When it's glued in, then you have to count just the sections in between. So wherever I cut the wing, I don't know, probably pointless. It's just added weight at this stage. It's not gonna do much. Yeah, let's remove it. Hey, and I've got to realign. Yes, I accept. I've got to realign that sketch now. Wing car, 3mm carbon foot. Yeah, delete. Wait, you won't let me delete stuff? Exceptions were encountered? Like what? Can I redefine you? Not from here. Alright, let me first move you into the correct position. Ungrounded? Yes. Got your thing open, cool. Constrain your x-axis to this, like it was. Apply. Accept relationship. And constrain YZ. For that, apply. Ground it. Accept. Delete. Accept. Yeah, it's giving me issues because of this sketch. Open it up. Redefine. And we will redefine with hello. Oh, okay, so it doesn't work like that. Open it up, delete it. What the hell? Delete. Alright. Start sketch. On the YZ. Yes. Project. This side of the wing. Lovely. And also project this side of the wing. Should probably do that first. Yeah. So I want to create the step that goes in, that locks it in position. Create a 1mm standoff so that there's gap for the aileron, and then I will create the geometry from this side over to this side. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Good old Kofi. Where is everyone today? Finish sketch. Extrude. Pull it away. Just 1mm. Start sketch on the YZ plane again. Project this inside curve. Ooh, hang on. No, and we've got to offset it too. Offset. Let's give it a good solid 2mm. Maybe 1.5. Yeah. Both directions, no. Bi-directional. 1 mil this way and 3 mil that way. I'll probably go more. Let's go full 5. I mean, I'm going to be permanently gluing it? Should I? I don't know. I still haven't decided. Or if I'm going to use some kind of... Ooh, no, because I want to affix this spar all the way down. It's not going to be an easy job to secure this. Let's just click OK. Where are those fillets coming up to? Another mill. So I can get 6 mils of penetration. Yeah, penetration. Yeah. We'll just have to go with it. As is and work it out later. 0.5. Okie dokie. Right, next up, I want to create a sketch. On here. And grab this. But I want to delete. These. And delete these 3. Oh, just those 2? No, I didn't want to delete those 2 at all. They're fine. No, they're not. They're not fine. Neither is this big one. I'm looking at the wrong thing. That's fine. Then I want to project that face. Yeah. And project. All of this geometry. A little tedious, but it's better than trying to grab these faces with these fillets. That circle and that circle need to go. This little guy here. All that, those, all of that. This is cool. Except for this can go. Then we can just extend. Oh, it won't let me. Oh well. That. Cool. How am I going to get around that? I need to... Yeah, I'll have to keep this edge. Can I extend it? No. No, that's fine. I can do stuff with this area later. Still think I'll be able to put a fastener in here. And then work something out this side. But it's just extra weight. We better just glue it in one piece. It's not like it'll make the wing over cumbersome. Storage, maybe? It makes storage difficult. Having the wingtip permanently attached. Sweet. Oh, we missed one. Alright, we'll just do it. I'll come back and fix the sketch. This little itty bitty bit. This little itty bitty bit. There we go. How did I get the fillets to work everywhere else? There we go. It's just being temperamental. Temperamental damn fillet. There we go. Cool. Don't really need that, but okay. did you say that is? 10 inch? Can't be 12 inch. I think that's a 10 inch light. So that'd be what, 2 inches? Right, let us start a sketch. A 3D sketch. So let's say, let's find out what 2 inches first is. It's like 60 centimeters. No, 60 millimeters. 58. Right, let's call this then 65. Yeah. So that would be, we say 25, 35, 30 would be good. And then we would just bring one off of here. Right. Then we put one from here to here, and we make this and this perpendicular. No, let us nail that down. I don't want it to move. Then we make this and this perpendicular, so that drags that out to the right spot. I need that in the right place there. And then take this one. No, you don't. Come on. Come on. I hate you. I hate you so bad. And then you can't even select the constraints. Delete constraints. You and you need to be the same, my friend. Thank you. So from the center of this curve, let's come out an inch, so that'd be 25. Finish sketch. Right, and we can start another sketch. First, let's create a plane here on this. Let's go 52. Sketch. Redefine. Group plane. That looks better. Right, that can stay there. And then comes the fun part. So I need more pictures. comes pretty much straight out to the outside curve of this. And it only starts curving up at the top there. So let's go to like here-ish. What is that? 46? Yeah, let's make it 45. And then we will create now here's the fun part. I need to create that sweep. So let's create a plane off the back origin. That one. No, I don't want to create a plane there. I want to create a sketch there. I can just create a sketch there. I'm going to need a plane. Right. And then using this one plus which image? I swear to God I had a really good clean image of the back of the wingtip. It really showed the sweep. It's a pretty clean line. Right, so we want to run off like the midpoint between these two. So I would like to grab the midpoint of that curve, but you can't grab it from this angle. So you just come back out of the sketch and you grab the axis, create a point like so. That axis will be useful anyways. Move that there. Around the back, yep, sweet. Grab curve. Project that line. Make sketch constraints. Sweet. Perpendicular to the line, please. Where'd it go? Oh, right, okay. Tangent, please. I could have just said perpendicular to the face. Let's go perpendicular to the face rather. For that. What radius shall we give it? It looked to be about a 18-inch. So 18-inch divided by 5. That looks kind of too big. 14-inch. That looks better. Sweet. Lovely. Tangent. This and this. Awesome. Height of this shall be not that much. 150. New sketch. Right, this just gives me places to put work planes, so I can create the sections of the transition. So I need to first create. Where did I put that one? What is this one? That's the light. That's that, right. Let's create this one on here. Project that. Oh. Project this. New sketch. Now at that point, start sketch. No, don't want one there. Let's go back to top view. Let's delete that. It's gonna have to sweep way further, way quicker. Let's create the front edge. We'll go 15. Too small. 20. Yeah. Midsection. 35. Trailing section 1. Project that axis. Place this point on that axis and on that axis. Did I make that a 1 mil or a 2 mil? Can I get them both on the screen at the same time? Yeah, 1 mil. Sweet. Shift you forward a bit. Is that gonna look right? I don't know. We will only know one way. That is the way. It is the way. Right, let's circle. Solid, please. I'm gonna cut you down to 15. Cut you down to 30. Solid. Yeah, you gotta be like that, don't you? Yep, there we go. You to you. Sweet. You know, I might as well make you two tangent. There we go, that's what I'm after. set a distance from you to the back. 120. And I can set a leading distance. So get the chord ratio. 55. Mirror line, this one. Light done. Split. Hey, no, don't do that. Split it on the other side. That one could do with being way more flat. Yeah. In fact, this could come down to like 28. 12. Yeah, that looks better. Because if we look at the wingsuit photo, where'd you go? Or better yet, if we look at this photo, you can see it stays quite thick on the front edge here. New sketch. And now, if we hit, just to test it out, loft, this sketch, this sketch. We want to set an outside rail, actually an inside rail, like so. Huh. Open up that sketch. Close loop. What it will be is these are overlapping somehow. It didn't look like it. Close loop. Loop is closed. Sweet. Right, so we don't want it to do that. I want to do it with that. Sweet, and we want to create our own conditions, our own transitions, automatic mapping off, because this one's wrong. So we're gonna have to tell it exactly how we want it to flow, because we want to come to this front leading edge right here must come to this front leading edge point here, and the apex of these two, the ends of those two curves are here. The thickest part of the wing comes to, let's chuck it there somewhere, midpoint of the back, apex of the tip, or the end of the back before the tip. Where are we? Apex of the tip. Yep. That looks a little better. I need to extend that condition a bit more. I mean, it's got that shoulder bump like he had in the real thing. If you look here, how it's got like this bump here. I see, that's where it's making it look just slightly off. Conditions, second sketch, no condition, click OK. Yeah, that looks better. It's a nicer sweep. Let's hide this work plane. Hide that one. Might be a bit thick. That's better. Sweet. End of part. Yep. Nope. Let's delete it. No, let's not. Let us create. Another work plane. So many work planes. I hate using work planes. Offset plane from here. Just double click it. Let's go up by 80. That's not a lot. 80. There we go. That looks better. Right, now this is going to be the fun part. Start sketch. Project view. I should have got a point there. Why didn't I get a point there? Weird. Yeah, not doing it for me. Not doing it for me. What are we at? Over an hour and a half. No one shut up. Sweet. All right. Well, we'll end the stream there. I need to go talk to a man about a dog. Alright. Well, if you're watching this in the replay, thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow with another live stream. Should be fun. See you guys later.